Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set a passcode to secure screen time settings on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on settings. Then in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on screen time. Next, scroll down and then tap on lock screen time settings. Next, put in your screen time passcode. So I'm going to put in 1234, 1234, and then put in your phone number or your email address for recovery. So if you forget the screen time passcode, you can use your Apple ID to reset it. So put in your Apple ID, or you can simply just tap on cancel. And then tap on skip, so we don't have to worry about using Apple ID. Just tap on skip for now. And that's it. So it's best if you use your Apple ID as a recovery method in case you forget your screen time. And that's it. So that is how you can set your screen time passcode. Now tapping on the change screen time passcode will allow you to change the passcode or turn off or delete the passcode altogether. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.